A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Hey there, Monster Truck fans! I want to hear you cheer in the stands. Meet the monster trucks, all shiny and new. Here we go! I'll introduce them to you. There's Bolt, who is lightning fast. I doubt he will ever come in last. Boom Boom's next, excited as can be. He's a bit clumsy, as you will soon see. Ladybug is brave and loves to do flips. There is no end to her amazing tricks.
Yeah!
Ollie is cautious and always takes his time. He thinks things through. That's the reason why. Dragon likes to show off and often brags. Watch him go as he zigs and then zags. Buzz is a silly one, there is no doubt. He bounces and buzzes as he moves about. Star practices new tricks and is always ahead. She's helpful, kind, and so talented. Now, let's begin our counting show. The trucks will help us, and off we go. 1. Bolt quickly spins high up in the air. 2. Boom Boom slips, then jumps with room to spare. 3. Ladybug twists and twirls as she flies. 4. Ollie moves slowly forward when he tries. 5. Dragon performs so confident and bold. 6. Buzz laughs and takes his turn in the show. 7. Star shines with her tricks on the track. 8. Bolt takes a second turn and is quickly back. 9. Dragon wants you to watch him. 10. There's Boom Boom, who takes another try. That was great counting with your newfound friends.
Yeah!
Let's continue on before this ends. All the trucks had so much fun, but they're not ready to be done. The trucks want to do it all over again. They're ready to help us count faster up to 10. 1. Bolt quickly spins high up in the air. 2. Boom Boom slips, then jumps with room to spare. 3. Ladybug twists and twirls as she flies. 4. Ollie moves slowly forward when he tries. 5. Dragon performs so confident and bold. 6. Buzz laughs and takes his turn in the show. 7. Star shines with her tricks on the track. 8. Bull takes a second turn and is quickly back. 9. Dragon wants you to watch him. 10. Oh, there's Boom Boom who takes another try. Whew. The trucks look beat and need a rest. I'm sure you'll agree they have done their best. Now the numbers want to steal the show. Trucks, stay where you are and don't you go. Girls and boys, can you count with me?
Yeah!
Follow the numbers and shout quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You did that well, right to the end. Do you want to go faster? I hear the numbers say. So let's try it faster, even faster today. Jump along and have more fun. Let's all start now with the number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
The wheels on the truck go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the truck go round and round, all night, night long. The doors on the truck go open and close, open and close, open and close. The doors on the truck go open and close, all night long. The shocks on the truck go up and down, up and down, up and down. The shocks on the truck go up and down, all night long. The wipers on the truck go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. The wipers on the truck go back and forth, all night, night long. The horns on the truck go beep, 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 beep. The horns on the truck go beep, 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 all night long. The engine on the truck goes vroom, 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 vroom. The engine on the truck goes vroom, 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 all night, night long. The wheels on the truck go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the truck go round and round, all night, night long.
A is for axle. It helps the truck's tires spin. B is for boom boom. There he goes again.
Oops.
C is for cab, where people sit and look about.
Yeah.
D is for door, for getting in and getting out. E is for exhaust. It helps regulate airflow.
Yeah!
F is for fenders. They protect the tires below. G is for grill. It lets cool air in.
Yes.
H is for hood. It covers the engine. I is for ignition. It helps turn the truck on. J is for jump. Let's jump. Come on.
Yippee!
K is for key. It turns the ignition.
Vroom!
L is for lights to help with night vision.
Ta-da!
M is for monster. Monster trucks. All right.
Woohoo!
N is for nuts. They hold tires on tight.
Yes!
O is for oil. It keeps the engine running smooth. P is for premium. It's the best fuel to use. Q is for quarter panel. There are 2 on each side.
Yahoo!
R is for ramp. Watch the trucks jump real high.
Yeah.
S is for shocks. They go up and down. T is for toe, to pull things around.
Oh.
U is for U-joint. It makes the back wheels turn. V is for vroom. Now watch them burn. W is for wheel. They go round and round.
Yeah!
X is for XL, the largest tires we found.
Yeah!
Y is for yellow, a blinking signal.
Yeah!
Z is for zigzag. Come on, let's wiggle! You've learned 26 letters from A to Z. And lots of truck parts. Easy smeezy.
Yeah!
Now, since you're a pro, and you know what you know,
Yahoo!
let's pick up the pace with an alphabet race.
Yeah!
Ready, set, go! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Woohoo!
A, B, C, D,
Yeah!
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D,
Yeah!
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Green, red, black, pink, orange, blue, purple, brown, yellow, indigo, white, green, gray, red, blue, rainbow, green, black, pink, orange, purple, brown, yellow, indigo,
Yeah!
white, rainbow.
Woohoo! Yeah! Yippee!
Green, red, black, pink, orange, blue, purple, brown, yellow, indigo, white, green, gray, red, blue, rainbow, green, black, pink, orange, purple, brown, yellow, indigo, white, rainbow.
Bolt is excited and ready to jump.
Yippee!
What shape will he jump first? It's a square. A square has 4 sides. Square. Do you think Bolt can do it? That jump was too easy sneezy for Bolt.
Yay!
Well, it looks like they're adding a circle to the jump. A circle is round. Circle! Can Bolt clear them both?
Uh-oh. Vroom, vroom.
Amazing!
Whoa.
Well, it looks like they're adding a triangle to the jump. A triangle has 3 sides. Triangle. Can he do it?
Uh-oh. Aha! Oh, yeah! I got this!
Incredible! He is on a roll tonight.
Yeah!
Wow, they are loading up a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides, 2 short and 2 long. Rectangle.
Power wings, activate! Yay!
Wowza! This show is Jumptacular!
Yippee!
Yikes! They are pulling out the diamond. A diamond has 4 sides. Diamond, this is intense.
Power propeller! Ta-da!
Holy moly!
Yeah.
Bolt is full of surprises. Wait, what's this? An oval? They have added an oval. Oval. Looks like it could topple over.
Uh-oh. All power engage! Yay!
That was close, but Bolt is not done yet.
Whoa.
Wait, is that a banana? Oh, it's a crescent shape. Same thing, I guess. Ha ha ha! Crescent.
Woohoo! Good thing I'm not afraid of heights.
This is so exciting.
Wow.
Uh-oh, here comes the octagon. An octagon has 8 sides. Octagon.
Tires engage! Ta-da!
I have never seen tire boosters, folks.
Wahoo!
What a show! Looks like they're loading up a heart. I guess they're feeling the love tonight. Heart.
Woohoo!
Let's all show Bolt some love.
Whoa!
Whoa! Bolt barely made it over this time.
Wow!
Looks like they have one more shape in store for Bolt. A star! Can Bolt continue to be the star of this show?
I don't know about this one. I will just have to do my best. Woohoo! Balloons!
Bolt has done it, folks! He has jumped over 10 huge shapes! Square, circle, triangle, rectangle, diamond, oval, crescent, octagon, heart, and star. Monster truck history has been made here today. All jump records are broken. Hey, Bolt, where are you going? Bolt? Bolt?
It's another wonderful day in Truckopolis, and the trucks are more excited than ever because today their favorite band, the GiggleBellies, is releasing a new song. They're so excited, in fact, that Boom Boom doesn't notice he's about to run straight into a fruit stand.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Apples are red. string beans are green. Blueberries are blue, eggplants are indigo, and violets are violet, well that's a flower you know. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet are the colors of the rainbow. Colors are everywhere you can see it. Colors were made for you and me. Roses are red, pumpkins orange, the sun is yellow, the grass is green, the sky is blue, eggplants are indigo, and violets are violet, well that's a flower you know. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet are the colors of the rainbow. Colors are everywhere you can see it. Colors were made for you and me. Cherries are red, yams are orange, corn is yellow, peas are green, blue jays are blue, eggplants are indigo, and violets are violet, well that's a flower you know. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet are the colors of the rainbow. Now sing it! Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet are the colors of the rainbow. Again! Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet are the colors of the rainbow. And violet are the colors of the rainbow. Everywhere you look, everywhere you see, colors make the world a beautiful place to be. The wheels on the truck go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the truck go round and round, all day, day long. The doors on the truck go open and close, open and close, open and close. The doors on the truck go open and close, all day long. The shocks on the truck go up and down, up and down, up and down. The shocks on the truck go up and down, all day long. The wipers on the truck go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. The wipers on the truck go back and forth, all day, day long. The horns on the truck go beep, 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 beep. The horns on the truck go beep, 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 all day long. The engine on the truck goes vroom, 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 vroom. The engine on the truck goes vroom, vroom.